Is a shorter video of the riverfront on the 46 acres. It's on the right side of the river as we look to the north here. You can actually see we're standing on the edge, on the bank of the river by the four-wheeler there, flying the drone to do this little video. So this property has about 500 feet of river frontage on the Finley River. It's awesome. About 15 miles east of Springfield, Missouri. Beautiful, beautiful property. Like I said, this is the shorter video focused mainly on the riverfront. We have a much longer video that you can see on the listing page at InstantAcres.com that flies over the entire property. But I mean, this pretty much has it all. Now right here, the river looks like it's fairly small, but actually the bulk of the river is far to the left of us, and the drone is over a large gravel bar. You'll see that when we fly up and turn around, that the river has kind of split right where we are and then meets up just to the south. So yeah, what you see on the right side of the river is going to be the property. Like I said, about 500 feet of direct frontage, mature walnut trees, oaks, hickories. We've got this beautiful river bottom area that you see on the right, and then it goes up a hill to a higher spot with hardwood timber, with cedar trees, with part of a pasture, a nice pond, and then on the east side we've got an open meadow with county road frontage and electric. So I mean, it's just awesome. This is obviously a winter video, so the water is fairly low. Excuse me. Although it's clear, you can see fish in there. You can float or kayak or canoe. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful property. So hard to find anything on the Finley River. Very, very popular. And I mean, like I said, we're only 15 miles out of Springfield on this property, so it's just an ideal location. Going upriver a little bit, again, the property's on the right. And I think in a minute we'll spin around and look to the south. Up to the north there, you can see Olga Road. And if you're coming in from the west, I believe that's what you would take to get to the property. Oh, yeah, as we look to the east, we're actually looking over the property. You can see the hardwoods, then it transitions to cedars, and then beyond the cedar trees is the county road that borders the property. So we're getting a pretty good overview here, actually. This is better than I thought. Okay. So you can see the river, and then looking easterly, you're looking at the property that goes up. You can't see the pond up there, but check out the listing at InstantAcres.com, or you can give us a call in the office or shoot us an email at sales@InstantAcres.com, and we would love to chat with you about this property if it's still available.